Alright guys, here comes the train. It'll be coming from that way right there. There's a web road downtown Belco. Since y'all see my left some lights on down there. It's like emergency lights. Here comes the train. Can you guys hear rumbling? Try to get as good an angle as possible from this one. Yeah. I heard honking at Christiana Fosterville Bell Buckle Road. Man, that's a tongue twister. I think it's honking at that private crossing down there. Yeah, I hear tracks, so it's about to be here. They keep honking at this crossing right here. Alright. Yep, I hear the track system. These cars are, watch out. Yeah, you guys see the light right there. You guys see that light? You hear the track sizzling. It's having a bit shaky. It's a bit colder here to be May. I guess it's actually go. Oh, it's actually colder here to be May. I hear the track sizzling. There's crossing. Think about actually crossing. Nah, I'm gonna stay over here. Here it comes. There it is. There it goes. See, it's like straight head towards Stevenson, Alabama. Some good pictures there. I hope I did. Guys, we've been sitting here for almost 2 hours now, so this train, I'm glad this train came by. That doesn't sound good. Dang, I'm actually gonna get back here. That doesn't sound good at all. That don't sound good. The end's coming up, I think. There's the end. Hope you enjoyed this video next time. Peace.